Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? This your boy HB3 in the building. And as you can see, it's a little bit brighter than normal, got a big light right here, and I got a big light right here, and it's okay, but I'm brightening up the scene for all of you because I'm about to get ready to reveal my hair. About to do a brush session right quick, you feel me? And let y'all see what I've been looking like since the 1.5. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so basically, not too long ago, I got a 1.5 with the grain open guard. So pretty much my go-to cut is always going to be a 2.5, or 3 with the grain. If I'm doing against the grain, it's going to be like maybe a 4 or a 5, things like that. But I decided, you know what, let me cut real low because I want to work on some areas that are really troubling right now. Troublesome right now, and figure those out. Also, too, just wanted to see where I was at, just try to basically correct some areas. Just do a bunch of stuff with my hair on a low cut, and then work my way back up to where I was at. So for me and my texture, cutting down that low, I am going to lose a lot of progress. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. If my waves are not cemented in certain areas, if my waves are not on point in certain areas, if I cut down all the way low like that, I'm probably going to lose a lot of progress. But it's okay. It's okay because I know where I need to be. I know where I'm going. And that's pretty much it. As long as I know what I need to be and I know where I'm going and I know how to get there, then losing progress is not really the end of the world, so to speak. So with that being said, let me go ahead and come up out the do-rag so y'all can see what my hair looks like right now, coming back from a 1.5. I do know I got to work on the crown area. I do know I got to work on the back area. I do know I got to work on my right side because my right side to me is pure trash. But trust me, all we got is pure time. We ain't doing anything, so we got time to brush, and that's pretty much it. Oh, hold on. But first, I want to show the brush that it's like a workhorse. The brush that I'm using right now to brush on these waves, I'm gonna show it to you right here. Just show it to you. Oh my goodness. People, when I say this brush right here is life, look at this. This brush right here is sick. It's called the TP 99 by Brush King. Let me just turn this around a little bit. Ooh. Look at that. You see this grip right here? You see this grip? So the reason why I like that he did this with this brush, I'm just gonna see if I can get closer. Can I? Oh yes, I can get closer. You see what he did right there with the grooves, with that side piece? That's like a grip for me. I can grip the brush and really go in. But yeah, the whole style of this brush is just insane, people. This whole style, it's crazy. It's just a dope brush, man. And it's a workhorse. It's a soft, but it's a firm soft. It's a firm soft. Oh yeah. Definitely. So basically, that's the brush I'm going to be using. Let's go ahead and get into this session. I'm not going to use a mirror or anything. I'm just going to try to make sure that the camera stays in focus and put in some work right quick. Just for a few minutes so y'all can see how I get down. Let's go. Oh, you don't want to focus on me? There we go. So that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted y'all to come in here and see me do a quick brush session. You feel me? You know, I'm just trying to get it in, man. I'm trying to get back right how I was before. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna keep brushing, trying to get back to that level, man. Trying to get back to that level. Questions, concerns, any feedback, get at me down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. It's your boy HB3. I'm out of here. Let me just keep on brushing. Get to work on that side. Yeah. Okay, I'm out. No, I'm not. All right, I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all.